Good morning, class. Today, this is the second video of Chapter 3 Eating Habit of Animals. In the previous class, we studied about food chain. I will give you a quick recap of what is food chain. Food chain. Food For food, animals are dependent upon plants and on other animals. For example, many animals eat plant and the animals which eat plant are eaten by some other animals. This is called a food chain. You can see over here that zebra eats plant and a zebra is eaten by a tiger. So the tiger is dependent upon zebra. This is a small cycle also which I have shown you in the previous class also. And this is a food chain cycle that when a plant grows, the grasshopper eats the leaves of the plant and the grasshopper is eaten by a bird, and then the bird is eaten by the snake and snake is eaten by an owl. So this is a food chain. Now today we are going to learn about the eating habits of animals. What are the eating habits of animals? In the first chapter, we will see that there are some animals which chew their food, chew the cud. Suppose cow, buffalo, they take their food in the mouth and take it inside, and then they bring it back to the mouth and they continue chewing that food. So, cow, buffalo are some animals which chew their food. Then there are few animals which tear and chew their food, like tiger, lion, bear, fox. They first catch other animals and then they first tear them and then they eat the flesh of the animals. So these are the animals which first tear their food and then they chew it. The next is the animals which gnaw the food. Gnaw means कुतर के खाते, चबा के, कुतर के खाते हैं. Gnaw their food. The animals you will learn in this, the animals which gnaw their food and some animals which swallow their food. There's like a basic difference between gnawing and swallowing. In swallowing, you take the whole food and swallow it. You don't neither chew it, neither you tear it. You only swallow it. And in gnawing, you do the munching of the food. You cut into small pieces and eat the food. So, gnawing is called that. You grind it. So, these are the animals which gnaw their food, like rat, monkey, mouse. All these are squirrel, are animals which gnaw their food. First, they chew, they don't chew, they gnaw their food. And some animals swallow their food, like snake. Swallow does not bite it, does not tear it. It takes the whole animal inside its mouth. It does not chew the food. It swallow whole food. So these are the animals. Next, there are some animals that lap water or milk. They drink milk or water with the help of using their tongue. That is called lapping. Like cat, dog are animals which lap their water and milk. You must have seen in your home, if you're keeping a dog or a cat, that how they lick with their tongue the water you give them or the milk you are giving them. That process is called lapping. And there's some other habit also of other animals, like a frog. A frog, how does it eat? a frog stuck from his tongue. There's some sticky part in his tongue, and the frog throws it up, and it sticks on the insects or the thing which he's eating. It sticks on the animal, and then he bring his tongue back. So the frog eats like this. The elephant uses its trunk. The elephant uses its long trunk, which help him to grab the food or to break the leaves of the tree, and then he, with the help of the trunk, he puts it into his mouth. So the animal eats like this. Some insects and butterflies, there is a nectar that is attached to it, a tube that is called a nectar that is attached to their mouth, through which they can suck the blood or the nutritions which they want from the flowers. So the animals like these, they eat their food. Butterflies, insects, mosquitoes, they have a long thin tube that is attached to their mouth, and from that they suck the blood of the people or the nutritions from the flowers. So I hope this video of mine would help you to understand that how animals eat. Thank you for today. Bye.